In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a workspace in Microsoft Loop. Managing workspaces is a crucial task for keeping your digital environment organized, and knowing how to remove unnecessary ones will help streamline your workflow efficiently. So, let's walk through the process step by step. First, we need to open Microsoft Loop on your device. To do this, navigate to your Applications menu or search bar and type in Microsoft Loop. Once you see the application, click to open it. If this is your first time today accessing Microsoft Loop, or if your session has expired, you'll need to sign in. Use your credentials, ensuring you have secure access to your Microsoft account linked with the platform. After signing in, you'll be greeted by the home page or a list of your available workspaces. This is essentially your command center within Microsoft Loop, where you can oversee all the different projects and tasks you're working on. From here, you'll want to locate the specific workspace you feel is no longer necessary and wish to remove. Take a moment to scroll through your workspaces or use any search feature that might be available to ensure you've identified the right one. Now that you've found the workspace you want to delete, direct your attention to the right side next to the workspace's name. Here, you'll see a small icon that looks like 3 dots, often referred to as the More Options menu. Click on this icon. This menu contains various controls for managing your workspace settings and options. Within this list of options, you'll see the Delete Workspace action. Please select this option. It's normal at this point to have a small pop-up or prompt appear. Its purpose is to confirm your decision to delete the workspace. This step acts as a safeguard against accidentally removing something important, so make sure you've selected the correct workspace. Once you've double-checked everything and are confident with your decision, go ahead and confirm the deletion. And there you have it. That's how you can delete a workspace in Microsoft Loop. Knowing how to perform this task ensures that your workspace remains clean, organized, and free of clutter, allowing you to focus on what's truly important without distractions. It's a simple yet effective method to declutter your digital workspace environment, and I hope this guide has made the process clear and effortless for you. If you found this tutorial helpful, or if you have other questions about Microsoft Loop, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.